Hi, I'm Angelica from Born to Be Nomadic. Welcome to our next video with Joe and Wendy from Las Vegas, Nevada. They're going to do a walkthrough with us of their incredible travel trailer that they drove all the way to Oregon to get. You guys ready? Come on, let's go. We'll knock and make sure they're home. Because that's what good neighbors do. Hey!
Hey, Angelica! Oh, hi! Come on
Joe.
in!
I'm going to take my shoes off because that's polite. Come on in, guys. Hey! Wow, it smells like new in here. So you guys drove all the way from Oregon to pick this up, right? Because there was no trailers that you really liked?
Yes, that's correct. There is a dealer actually in Utah, but they didn't have really what we were looking for. So we found a dealer up in Oregon that actually is only 50 miles from the manufacturing plant itself, and we bought our trailer from them.
All right, so what are some of the cool things about this coach?
One thing that we really like is the rear dinette with all the windows, so that we get a great view of the area that we're camping in. We really like the dinette style as opposed to the horseshoe style. Some of the other things we like, we have the Max Air fans in here. We have 3 of them in the coach. We have one in the living area, we have one in the bedroom, and we have one in the master bedroom back there. And
wow, 3. That is really amazing.
yeah, they move a lot of air. We can reverse one of them and to pull air in, and one to suck air out, and we get a good flow of air throughout the coach, and really helps cool it down when it's not too hot outside.
Yeah, so like as soon as the sun goes down, then you can make it really nice and
Absolutely,
cool.
it makes it comfortable in here.
Yeah, awesome.
We like the what do you call this?
Sunroof?
Sunroof.
What?
Sun
Something.
Yeah.
Skylight.
Yeah. Skylight. Oh, there you
Yay! Wendy for the win.
go. We like the skylight because it does add a lot of natural light into the coach. A lot of coaches, ours included, has darker trim, so it adds a lot of natural light, which, we're out in nature and we want as much natural light as we can get if we have to be inside. So that's one of the things we enjoy.
Yeah, there certainly is a ton of windows in here.
Yeah.
That is incredible.
Yeah, I got a nice big slide out. Obviously, this is a trifold couch, so it folds out into a bed if we have if we have people staying with us. It's got a nice big pantry over here. We move into the kitchen area. It's got a decent amount of countertop. If we need more countertop,
Fun.
obviously we can we can extend it with this. One of the things that this manufacturer has done is they've got a built-in knife rack here. You can just slide your knives. Yeah, you can just slide your knives in there, and obviously they don't get clanging around in a drawer while you're traveling.
This is way nicer than ours. And we have a pretty nice coach, but this is nice.
Yeah. Good solid doors. We have yet to have an issue really with anything. We've only had the coach for
Since July.
Yeah, since July of last year, and so far, knock on wood, we haven't had any issues. So that's.
How many trips have you taken in it?
Probably like 6 or 7.
Yeah,
Oh, nice. Yeah.
We'll try to use it as much as possible.
Yeah.
Awesome.
It is a 30 amp coach. It's only 25 feet long, the box itself.
Oh.
So it's only 30 amp. We have one AC unit. It's all ducted. We have the furnace, which is actually ducted into the floors, which is pretty standard stuff. We were buying this. That was a must-have for me. I was like, it has to have max fans all the way out, so that because our old coach had one of the standard little tiny fans that doesn't move any air at all. I mean, it's like, why have it?
He
So-
researched this trailer like for months
Yeah.
and months.
So this was, Max fans were a must for me.
Okay, let's
So-
move up to the back.
So let's move into the, as we move back in the coach, we have, basically your standard bathroom. There's enough room to do what needs to be done in here. Nothing too spectacular. I do like, again, the skylight in the shower area. Adds, again, natural light so that you can see what's going on in there.
Now that we know what it's called.
Right? Here, which is, well, I guess the front of the trailer is the master bedroom. It's got a walk-around queen-size bed. It's got, closets on both sides.
That's nice. You can put actual hangers and not children's hangers. We have to use children's hangers in ours.
Yeah, actual size hangers. It's got quite a bit of storage above the bed too. And then it is pre-wired for solar, which if we were to get the solar from the factory, they would have put the charge controller right here. Eventually we're gonna put some solar panels on the top of the trailer. But as of right now, we're still not into that mode yet. So
Yeah, it's pricey. We just did it.
yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot.
And again, plenty of windows and lights in here. Got a nice door to get outside if you need to from in here. But
Awesome.
that's about it. That's our coach.
Okay, well, thank you so much, Wendy and Joe, for showing us your titanium.
It's built by Outdoors RV
Okay.
in the mountains of Oregon, and we really like it. We think it's a great coach.
Awesome.
It is
Love
a
it.
nice coach. It is really nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you guys next time.
See you next time.
If you want to get your own titanium, go to outdoorsrvmfg.com. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you. Give us a thumbs up below and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out any